Hey, good morning. It's Jeremiah Affordable Mobility Solutions, home at mobility316.com. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Touring, and we have 90 days no payments this month. If you heard me correctly, no payments until 2025. So onto the van here. You've got the rear entry conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using two fingers. I pinch and I flip. Has a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip. Super simple to do. Take it to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entries. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. Now, if someone parks next to you in a side entry wheelchair accessible van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair if there's a vehicle parked here. Not the case with the rear entry. Rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do sell side entry, we sell full size, we sell trucks and SUVs that are wheelchair accessible. We have over 85 vehicles on the lot ready to go today. Check us out at mobility316.com. If you don't see what you're looking for, we're probably either getting it ready or we can find it and get it built for you or buy it for you already converted. So let us know on that. 800-pound weight capacity. You got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and then about 57 once you're inside the van. This does have the deep cut conversion, so this van can haul up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. And these Chryslers, they're about a foot longer channel than both the Dodge and the Toyota. So if you need that extra foot to haul 2 wheelchairs at a time, or you want the gurney kit in here, you got the gurney kit already set up to haul your stretcher, it's ready to go for you. We can even put a third row seat that'll flip down when it's in use, flip up when it's not in use if you want to haul 6 people plus a wheelchair. And if you're looking to start your own non-emergency medical transport business or even grow your non-emergency medical transport business, these gurney kits, these vans, they make $1,000 a day if you got them out running them all day. So very good income for a very low startup cost or to add to your fleet. Headliner looks great. Got about 25.5 inches of room between these seats. We can even put some flip-based seats up in here if you need them. So let us know your measurements, let us know your use, let us know how many people you're hauling. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. And if you do want to haul this for wheelchairs, you just undo these knobs here. They screw out very fast. You can pull out these 2 items, go from wheelchair back to gurney in a matter of a minute or so. Got your 2 straight tie downs there. Got plug-ins for your electronics in the back. Got a nice center console that has cup holders for your rear passengers as well. Up front, your plug-ins for your electronics, dual climate control, has your lane assist on here as well, helps keep you in your lane. Backup camera. The dash looks great, no cracks or holes in the dash. You got your steering wheel controls, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got the adaptive cruise control, meaning it'll help keep a safe following distance from you or any vehicles in front of you. So if you're buying for a van, whether it's for your family or for your business, these are safety features that you really cannot afford. You can't afford not to have. Keep you safe, keep your family safe, keep your business safe. Very important. When you get everybody in, again, 1 finger to take it up. And by the way, we do throw in the Q strengths. Those tie downs there. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $600 to $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no charge to you. Latch it down when you're done. You are ready to roll. You can shut the door there if you like. Now our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. A lot of our competitors are going to tell you they have a better built conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. I want you to ask them what their conversion, their warranty is. A lot of them are going to say no warranty. Some are going to say 1 year, 12,000 miles, and some are going to say 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare all those options to 3 years unlimited miles. You tell me who has the best built conversion, right? These beautiful 20-inch rims on here. We put 4 brand new tires on this van. They're all brand spanking new, so new tires ready to go. Tinted windows. You got your roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. And as you can see on my walk around, this van is near flawless. It's a fly on there, not a chip on the paint. Here we go. Get out of here. But a super clean van. And you hear me talk all the time how we can save you 5 to 10 grand on your next wheelchair accessible van. How we do it, it's simple. It's low overhead. I want you to imagine our competitors out there, those big box stores with 10, 20, 50 or more stores. Imagine how many millions of dollars of overhead they have every month. Not every year, every month, that we don't have because we have 1 store. That's how we save you so much money. Save that 5 or 10 grand today. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get online and make sure you get a video of the VIN number. And why I say that, a lot of our people on Facebook Marketplace, they're scammers taking pictures of my van. They're cutting out my sign up there. Facebook won't stop it. It's very frustrating. Yes, I know. To put a van like this on the internet for $15,000 with a $2,000 deposit. They don't even have this van. They're just trying to scam someone out of that $2,000. So you say anybody you're going to buy from, hey, I want a video of the VIN number like this. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions, and I have this van right here in my possession. They couldn't make this video because they don't have these vans. They're simply trying to scam somebody. Make sure you get that video and protect yourself. All right, what we do with that VIN number, we're going to Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy it. Carfax shows one owner, no accidents or damage. It does show a commercial vehicle. I like that. It means they've been adult driven, fleet maintained. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. Carfax shows no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a one owner, clean title, no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, and does show an open recall. You can take that to any Chrysler dealer. They will fix that at no charge for you. And as we scroll down here, we can go to the original warranty. Shows the vehicle went into service December 5th, 2022, so it meets the specs to be under the full bumper-to-bumper warranty until December 5th, 2025, or 36,000 miles. And meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Chrysler until December 5th, 2027, or 60,000 miles. So full protection on this van. And no matter who you do business with, look them up online, check out their reputation and reviews. Find us on eBay, 1,607 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100%. I would say that qualifies for a great reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Some of these scammers can make a fake business page for Google. They can get 3 or 4 or 5 reviews before Google catches on to them. So make sure they have a lot of reviews, 327 reviews like we have, 4.8 out of 5 stars. I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from the general public or these low-end dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews instead of 4.8 like we have. They end up buying a vehicle with a salvage title they weren't told about, a flood damage they weren't notified of, vehicles with major mechanical issues, engine, transmission, electrical, you name it, I've heard it all. So if you want the 1 and 2 and 3 star experience, you go ahead and deal with the general public or the low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service and the best prices in the country, I look forward to working with you. Okay, back to the van. Another great feature about this van has the remote start. You hit the button twice, it'll fire right up. So whether you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van in the summertime, or you want the heated seats, the defrost, all ready to go when you get in, you've got that option. It does have the 1 key fob. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we sure can. Nice clean interior. Has the driver power driver seat. This black leather. It's just a real nice look to this van. And if you are going to use this van commercially and you want to turn the power doors off, right there, that button right there makes the manual. They open and shut quickly without any risk of damaging the motors. You've got that option. These back seats are the black vinyl, easy to clean up if you get a spill or a mess on them. Got your gurney kit back here. Just a little bit of the layout for those of you that aren't real familiar with the vans, and the rear air controls over there as well. What I like about these vans, they have a push button start, so if the key is in your pocket or your purse, you don't need to fish it out. You just get in here, put your foot on the brake, fire it right up. 31,168 miles, almost a full tank of gas. No dummy lights on, no check engine lights on, no airbag, none of that. Got your huge 7-inch screen there for the backup camera. Got your heated seats and heated steering wheel up here. A lot of great features. We've got to clear that out. There we go. We got heated seats and heated steering wheel right there. This van has the lane departure. A lane assist keeps you in your lane. It's got the adaptive cruise control to keep you a certain distance from the cars in front of you. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've checked all the power mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you the windows and mirrors moving right now. We checked the heat, air, belts, hoses, cruise, suspension, steering, brakes. Obviously, we checked the tires since they're brand new. Taking the vehicle on a road test. My point is, we do not just run these through the car wash and throw them on the lot. They go through a very thorough service and inspection before they hit my lot. Another great feature is a blind spot monitor. You see that little triangle right there above my thumb? When we're on the test drive, you'll notice that will turn yellow when someone's in my blind spot. So a lot of great safety features on this van that you really can't afford not to have. Underneath the hood, I have a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it sounds great. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And no signs of any rust from being up north in the Rust Belt. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's 2022, they assume because it's low miles, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. Folks, I see vehicles all the time at auction that are brand new or close to brand new with flood damage. My point is, if brand new vehicles can have flood damage and major issues, imagine all the things that can happen with a used vehicle. So no matter who you do business with, make sure you ask yourself, have I seen their reputation online? Thousands of reviews, so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair. Have I seen a free Carfax report? So I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents, and never been in a flood. Do they bother even getting down on their hands and knees and even take a couple pictures of the front and rear of the undercarriage so you can see no signs of flood damage underneath here, no signs of an accident, much less do they get you a detailed video of those? How about the roof? Do they get up on the roof and take pictures and video of the roof? Do you know how many vehicles I see at auction every week, especially these taller vehicles? They've got bad hail damage on the roof. They've got holes drilled in them from me in a previous taxi before. They have a big dent up in the roof, you know, from someone pulled into a garage door that was too low. You know how much these roofs can cost to fix? I mean, easily $5,000 to $10,000. But the sellers don't fix the roof because nobody looks at the roof. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So when it comes to price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are in showing you the exact vehicle you're getting for your dollars, please compare me to the competition. What happens if you end up buying a van like this and you can't get a title for it because you're dealing with a shady individual? What happens if it won't pass inspection in your state because the frames got damaged from a flood or an accident? What happens if the VIN number doesn't match up with the title? All sorts of issues. Well, in all of those cases, if you can't register it, you can't drive it, you just bought a 4,000 pound paperweight. So to avoid those problems and so many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. First of all, demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Folks, this is a major purchase. You're not buying an $80 pots and pans off eBay. This is a big deal. Demand a detailed video. Second, demand a Carfax. Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do those because I want to know exactly what I'm getting. Carfax has the most thorough inspection out there. Don't settle for some cheap knockoff. Demand a Carfax report. Third, get online. Find out who you're buying from. Check out their reputation and reviews. Make sure they are a real person. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't you be a lazy buyer. And then finally, demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, this van meets all the specs, being the full factory warranty along with a conversion warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. And I told you I'd get up there and show you that roof. It looks straight. Let's get her out for a test drive. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Pacifica home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Van runs and drives like a brand new van down the highway. Now, do keep in mind we have a warranty, meets the specs, being the full factory warranty from Dodge, and also the conversion. See the yellow light on? Yeah, guys, I'm a blind spot right there. So I wanted to show you that blind spot monitoring. Awesome safety feature to have. But we do have the extended warranties as well. We have factory type warranties that go as far as 8 years. Talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. By the way, got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. And also keep in mind we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee. They've got document fees. They've got tag fees. They got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of all their fees and the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Want to turn the radio on so you can hear that it works fine as well. So my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, and we all can, nothing more important in business than being 100% transparent, and that couldn't be any more true than any business than the used car business. Transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake. You'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, all exactly what we're looking for. Now, if you would like to give us a call or a text message, text is the fastest way to get a hold of us. That way anyone on our team can respond as soon as possible. But call or text 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner That is the direct line to reach out to call or text my cell phone. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to reach the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system? See, it's told me that guy's in my blind spot there, my left turn signal on, that's the beep. So by going back to what I was saying, I challenge you to ask the competition if they're dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you just call in and talk to an automated system or end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman. Give us a call. Give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Pacifica whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available, and we currently have 90 days, no payments. You heard me correct, 90 days, no payments that you can apply on our website, or we can send an application to your phone or email address. And if computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. And if you do want to come in to see our inventory, we do welcome that, but we do require that you make an appointment. Why do we require an appointment to look at vehicles? Good question. I'm not going to put 3 car salesmen on the lot that every time you come in, they just swarm you. They don't know much about mobility vans. They're strictly out for the commission. You're going to make an appointment. You're going to deal with an experienced wheelchair accessible van salesman that's going to answer all your questions, get the measurements you need, and find the best fit for you. So that's why we have to have you make an appointment. We also have 90 vehicles we have to get organized. Just call us, text us, make that appointment. It takes 30 seconds of your life. Let's do that. Help us help you. All right. And if you did make it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but like I mentioned earlier, I know it's a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, about 50 pictures of every single vehicle, and no hidden fees. So you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today, and we really appreciate you giving us a chance to earn your business, and hope you have a wonderful day.